ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs.
This song, the video is just amazing. Oh my, I can't even take it. I can't even do it. Like, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Hey, a thousand Cheminiao. Ah, baby, you best share. Ready? Okay. Hey. Oh, Samuel, you love me, my. I love you, go. I love you, go. Hey, I love you so. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Goldcoastdebuty, and today I am going to do a tree lesson. Today is actually Ghana Independence Day. 6th of March 1957 was when Ghana had our independence, and I just thought, what better way to celebrate than to teach you a bit of my language. I speak Tree, and Tree is one of the languages spoken in most regions of Ghana, especially by the Akans, which is my tribe. A to the K to the A to the M. And even within the Tree there is there's 3 types, if I'm not mistaken. If I am, then let me know. There is Asante Tree, Ekwapim, and Achim. So yeah, those 3 variations. I think like language is a really important part of any culture, and I'm really proud of my culture. So if you do have the opportunity to learn or speak it, then I think it's important that you do take it. Just take it, man. So, quick story. It was like a few months ago, a few weeks ago, I was commenting on like this Ghana tag, you know, getting all hyped, Vib and everything. And then like 2 weeks later, this other girl commented. I think she was African American, and she was commenting how she just did her, what's it called? Is it hereditary test or ancestry test? Something like that. And she said she came out like 25% Cameroon, 35% Ghanaian, this percent Senegal. So she's naming all different countries that she came out as, and she was acting as if like it counted, like her 35% Ghanaian, did it count so that she could do the Ghana tag? And I just felt like, I just felt sad, because I'm like, you know, I know where I'm from. You know you're from Zimbabwe. You know you're from Tanzania, Uganda. You know exactly where you're from. And this girl is trying to like piece together like 25% this, 25% that. So
all I'm trying to say, guys, is if you know you're from, just be proud of it and learn to learn your language and your culture. Okay, that's all I'm saying. Alright, guys,
let's do this.
Yeah.
First one, welcome, Akwaaba. Welcome, Akwaaba. Hi, there's no word for hi, so we'll go to how are you? Wohon Teseng. Again, Wohon Teseng. Informal, Etesen. Etesen. How you doing? Etesen. Mehon ye. Formal, I am fine. Mehon ye. Informal, Eye. Eye, I'm fine. Eye. What about you? What about you? Wunsue. What about you? Wunsue. Me too, I'm fine. Menso mehoye. Me too, I'm fine. Menso mehoye. What is your name? Within the saying or your friend was saying. What is your name? Within the saying or your friend was saying. My name is Midinde Gloria. My name is Gloria. Midinde Gloria. My name is Gloria. Or your friend me Gloria. They call me Gloria. Remember, there's 2 ways of saying it. Within the saying or your friend was saying. And then there's obviously 2 ways to reply. Midinde or your friend me. So your friend me Gloria. Where are you from? Wufrihin. Where are you from? Wufrihin. I'm from Togo. Me free Togo. I'm from Togo. Me free Togo. Wufrihin. Where are you from? Me free Togo. How old are you? Where do you feel saying? How old are you? Where do you feel saying? How old are you? Where do you feel saying? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Good morning, Maakye or Memawache. Maakye. Good afternoon, Maaha or Memawaha. Maaha. Good evening, Maajo or Memawajo. Chale, dude, friend, yo, what's up? Hey, Chale. Weigh this. Weigh this. Weigh means this. They, omo. They, omo. They, omo. That person, either male or female, or no. That person, either male or female, or no, or no, or no. We, yang, we, yang, yang means we. You have to say yes, Aane or Aine, Aane, Aine. No, Daabi, Daabi or Daabi, Daabi, Daabi. Yes, Aane. No, Daabi. Thank you, Medawase or Medase. Short version, Medawase. Long version, Medase. So thank you, Medase. You probably see all my comments. I always have Medase, even though the person is Ghanaian or they speak Twi. I was like, Medase for watching. Thank you for watching. Medase. Medase means thank you. Very or a lot, you can say pa. So Medase pa. Thanks a lot. Pa means a lot or very, depending on the content of the sentence. So, where are you going? Wo ko hin. Where are you going? Wo ko hin. I am going to Tesco. Me ko Tesco. Me ko. Once you figure out that me is me, wo is you, a lot of things become easy. Wo ko hin. Me ko Tesco. Will you go or are you going? Ube ko. Ube ko. Remember, Ana, which means or, can we put at the end of sentences to make it a question? So, ko Ana, ko Ana, will you go or what or not, kind of thing. Let's go. The we comes in. Yang we, yang ko. Let's go or shall we go? Yang ko, yang ko. Go safely or return safely. Cobra, cobra, cobra. Why? Cobra. Go safely. Have a safe journey. Take care. Cobra. Do you speak Twi? Wote Twi? Ana, you can add that. Wote Twi? Wote Twi? Do you speak Twi? Do you understand Twi? Do you hear Twi? Wote Twi? Wote Twi? Now you can respond yes, no, or small, small. Like I understand Twi a little bit, a little bit. So yes, Aane. No, Daabi. Small, small, kakra, kakra. Mete kakra kakra. I hear it small small. I understand it small small. Kakra kakra. This is beautiful. Well, this is nice. Way, remember this. Way F. This. Way F. Way F. This is nice. Or way F. This looks nice to me. Way F. Or else it doesn't look nice. Way F. Way F. F and F. See? F and F. It's nice. It's not nice. F and F. How to say sorry? Kose or Kafra. Kose. Oh, Kose. Oh, Kose. Oh. Kose or Kafra. Kose. Now finally, this of the week recap. Oh, let's try and do this without. Oh, let's see if I remember. Let's see if I remember. Okay, so Sunday to Saturday. Oh, Father Lord, help me. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Sunday, Kosiada. Monday, Ejuada. Tuesday, Ebenada. Wednesday, Ukwada. Thursday, Yawada. Friday, Efiada. Saturday, Mimneda. What up? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful for everybody. You can now give one Ghanaian person 1-2 step with your tree. Hey, want to sing? Me who yet? Don't answer it yourself, obviously, because yeah.
God bless our homeland, Ghana, and make our nation great and strong. Go to defend forever the cause of freedom and of right. Fill our hearts with true humility, make us cherish fearless honesty, and help us to resist oppressor's rule with all our will and might forevermore. And help us to resist oppressor's rule with all our will and might forevermore.
It's rough and smooth. She gets swagger. She be sweet like banana. She